was pretty bad, but I'm not really give a fuck about what happened because why we should I care about people talk too much because I don't think people should complain about me. What the fuck they doing about me? Like who the fuck are you? Why should you know me about what the fuck? I don't give a fuck. But I think yeah I say I don't give a fuck, but I give a fuck, especially you. I really give a fuck about you. And maybe you think like bullshit, bitch, bitch. What the fuck, bitch? I care about you. What the fuck? You not care about me? Look at my pimple. Because of you, I have a pimple. What a sign of having a pimple is because when someone having a pimple, it's mean that they're in love with someone. So this is pimples because of you, and